another complication. Have mercy, please, God, erase us. I can take another complication. I can take another complication. Have mercy, please, God, erase us. Distractions tear me open, and all the thoughts in my head are constantly haunting me. I hope that I don't bore you while I whine about it. I hope you won't be sad while I cry about it. I keep telling myself that there's something more. I keep telling myself that there's something more. I'm lost in this place, it's such a waste. I can't watch things further complicate. So if it all fails, just throw it back in my face. I can take another complication. Have mercy, please, God, erase us. I can take another complication. Have mercy, please, God, erase us. Every day I wake up to stagnant bullshit. As soon as I escape, there's more stagnant bullshit. This endless propaganda, corporate agenda. I like to think there's something more. I hope I don't bore you while I whine about it. I hope you won't be saddened while I cry about it. So if it all fails, just throw it back in my face. I'm lost in this place, it's such a waste. I can't watch things further complicate. Have mercy, please, God, erase us. Have mercy, please, God, erase us. I can't take another complication. Have mercy, please, God.